Who are we? Who I am? Who are you? This question is a matter of fact and belief. Very few people in the whole world knows the true, right and complete meaning of you, I and we. They are really lucky because they are the only 0.01% in the whole world, and the rest 99.99% are busy to kill germs, viruses and diseases. The disease that never exist. And even we also falls in the rest of the population, waiting for a miracle, forming a future secure life, reimagining our lustful, meaningless and selfish thoughts. What is life? What is the purpose of one's life? Life is everything and it is everywhere, but it has no definition, no form, no structure. It just connects people with each other. I'm afraid maybe only 1% or less than that knows the real truth, the real purpose of life. And the rest 99% just follows the society, acting like they are living their life very passionately and intensely. Sometimes we forget a grand rule of life. Things we do today, irrespective of right or wrong for the society, will fortunately form a result tomorrow. Might that result not fit or adjust in the society and discarded by the people as an excuse. And that's why industries and cars never create a problem, but the disease is, even though the disease never existed. Money, degree and image are the ultimate meaning of success. A true creator's life is the only life worth living, and all other kinds of life are just byproducts of a slave life. But a slave life has its own respectability, honors and power. It offers people respect, offers money and Nobel prizes. In short, it offers all kinds of temporary happiness. But a true and a legend creator has no choice. He or she has to discard all this nonsense if he or she wants to be a true creator. He or she had to renounce all kinds of bribery. You cannot be creative if you are a part of mob psychology. An existence, societies, organizations and institutions running on a collective mind. They do not want a child to be creative. They manufacture child for future use. For example, in school and colleges, they never thought about life. What is the purpose of life? Instead, they teach A plus B whole square is what? Vaccines will recover people from viruses. But who knows the virus really exists or not? The collective mind is the cheapest of all minds, where your thoughts are limited to defined perception, where reality beyond the reality is not measurable, where a person's half life is gone due to happiness and sadness.